Welcome back to the Productivity Podcast, where I give you a daily productivity tip so you can get the most out of your time, your talent, and your ideas. I'm your host, Brandon White. Here we go. Today, we're talking about how to truly excel at your career. It's not just about passion or skills. It's about identifying and mastering your most important tasks. Think about it. If you started your job today, fresh and eager, what would be the 3 things absolutely critical to your success? Not the busy work, but the tasks that truly move the needle. These are your key success factors. Take some time to really reflect on this for a minute. What skills do these tasks require? What are the gaps between where you are now and where you need to be? Now, here's the critical part. Once you've identified your top 3, make them your priority. This means dedicating at least 70% of your time to these core responsibilities. That might sound like a lot, but it's essential to making a real impact in your success. To keep these tasks top of mind, write them down and put them somewhere that you see them every day so they're right in front of you, whether that's on the mirror, in your bathroom when you wake up, or on a sticky note on your computer screen. And before you agree to take on any new tasks or projects, refer back to your list. Does this new request align with your top 3? If not, it might be something you need to delegate, defer, or even decline. And remember, your job and therefore your key tasks will evolve. So regularly assess your list. Are your priorities still the right ones? Have new responsibilities emerged? If yes to any of these, then it's probably time to update your top 3. By consistently focusing on your most important tasks, you'll not only become more productive, but you'll also position yourself for greater success and career advancement. It's all about working smarter, not harder. Your move. Hey, thanks so much for listening to the show. Please make sure to click the follow button on your podcast app so you never miss a new episode of the show. And of course, it's free. And don't forget to sign up for my free newsletter at brandonCwhite.com. We'll see you in the next episode.